Mechanism 3. Breathing can get worse. Alcohol relaxes muscles in the airway. That can increase snoring and worsen sleep apnea in people who already have risk factors. And worse breathing means more micro-awakenings, even if you don't fully remember them. Mechanism 4. Bathroom trips and dehydration. Alcohol can increase urine production for some people, so even if you fall asleep fast, you may wake up more.